Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today video is about how you can protect your privacy by hiding your Instagram post without actually blocking anyone. So what you have to do is open your Instagram account and simply you just have to go to your settings and scroll down, and here you will see restricted. Click on it. Now you just have to go to continue and type the name of person. For example, I am typing John and I just restrict this account. Now whenever you post any Instagram post, this person will not be able to see this.